The 2026 NTCA 5-Star Accredited Large Commercial Project of the Year Award goes to David Allen Company for their extraordinary work on the Grand Helios Hotel project. The Grand Helios Hotel is the flagship resort for Universal Orlando's Epic Universe, designed as a true gateway to another world. Shortly after its debut, it was honored as the most iconic building or structure at the 2025 Las Culturistas Culture Awards, reflecting not only bold architecture but exceptional craftsmanship throughout. What stood out immediately for the judges was the sheer technical scope and execution of the installation. David Allen's team installed more than 203,000 square feet of finishes, including 39 different tile, mosaic, stone, and specialty materials. One major challenge arose in the three-meal dining lobby, where multiple floor materials of varying thickness had to align seamlessly around structural columns that were not square. Using a laticrete system of solutions, including NXT Level Flow and NXT Patch, the team achieved a perfectly flush layout despite irregular geometry. On several other floors, uneven concrete pours created complex expansion joint conditions. The David Allen team utilized grinding and leveling, developed custom joint cover assemblies, and used Prime and Bond and late epoxy 300 to ensure long-term adhesion while preserving the diagonal floor pattern. The most technically demanding installation occurred at the Level 10 lobby bar, a fully circular space with a themed pattern requiring extensive radius cutting. Prefabricated pieces were dry-laid for verification and set once alignment was flawless. This project represents tile craftsmanship at its highest commercial level. Tonight, the NTCA is proud to present the 2026 5-Star Accredited Large Commercial Project of the Year to David Allen Company for their incredible installation of the Grand Helios Hotel. Congratulations on an outstanding achievement.